appeal numbers 2611-2622 of 2025 and connected matters are extracted as under the aforesaid interim order applies in this case also.
Great.
Your Ladyship, I'll accept notice on behalf of the...
Issue notice to so and so.
That is also mentioned in the interim.
Yes, I appeared in that matter for your Lordship's...
Jyoti Dastikar.
Yes, your Ladyship, I'll...
Learned, say
I'm the AOR, your Lordship.
Yes, you have written leaned counsel. Please write learned counsel.
Yes.
Learned counsel accepts notice for the respondents in this case also.
Your Ladyship, I've been instructed that some payment has come in this matter which is listed today. Only a portion remains. So, unlike the other one where money had not been paid, there has been some part payment made.
We have said deposit the entire compensation.
Yes. Here some payment has come.
Entire we have said.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, there's a section 163 of HP Land Revenue Act, which essentially creates a statutory right if there is an encroacher.
The matter was remanded. Who challenged the remand? Now the remand is also actually...
No, Your Lordship. The matter, the local commissioner could only recommend to the financial commissioner kindly remand. The financial commissioner did not accept his recommendation and dismissed the revision. I had no role between the two.
You would have been happy if a remand had been...
Please, Your Lordship, because my entire case is that this case has to be tried as a civil court. Because as per the section 163, in my humble submission, the discretion, so to say, is triggered the moment a person claims that it is 30 years I've been in possession, and she has been.
To notice.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Petitioner's counsel is permitted to serve the standing counsel for the first respondent state.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
In this matter, we have moved another application where the respondent has agreed to forego the, Your Lordship, the consent terms have been executed.
Other person, same order.
Same order may be passed.
You give us a copy of our previous order.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
Which respondents now?
This is, if Your Lordship may turn to page 20 of the second petition, which is Nilkamal Realtors versus Praveen Harkawat.
Give us that, not the first one.
Not the first one. Page 20 of that.
Second one, yeah?
Yes, Your Ladyship.
That is 31.1.
Yes, 35.1, yes.
35.1. Who are the persons here? Where is the application?
Application was circulated, Your Ladyship. I am carrying 2 copies in person.
Sorry.
It's IA number 52614 of 2025.
Let us see from the SLP who are these persons.
Yes, Your Ladyship. At page 20.
Yes.
Serial number 7. Arising out of second appeal number 15465 of 2023.
Yes.
This is Nilkamal Realtors versus... Yes, Mr. Richard.
Only one.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
So where is the order? Where is the copy of the order? So is this IA number?
Yes, Your Ladyship. It's IA number 52614 of 2023.
52614. Right. So you copy this order. Your Miss S. Lakshmi Iyer.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
So second appeal, you write here, second appeal number, you substitute this. IA number you substitute. And SLP number you substitute. Then second appeal number 15465 of 2023, then filed against Mr. Richard D'Souza, page 20 of this order. Only one, no?
Yes, Your Ladyship.
Then annexure A1 is the thing.
Is the consent terms.
Copy of the consent terms dated
21/2025.
20
1 2025.
2025. To replace that. Rest of the order is same.
Yes, Your Ladyship. And in
Following
fact,
the order dated
the order dated 17/1/2025.
17/1.
2025.
Yes. 17/1/2025. Rest of it is same.
Rest of it remains the same. In fact,
Second appeal number again, you write 15465 of 2023. And instead of Mr. Gopal Shetty and Mrs. Usha Shetty, you write only Mr. Richard D'Souza. Correct?
yes, Your Ladyship.
Mutatis mutandi.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
Consent terms dated 21/20. You substitute this in this order. Anything is there? Any
The
doubt?
Bombay High Court judgment is the judgment has not been pronounced.
Not yet.
Not yet. Your Ladyship may
This will remain.
yes.
The rest. Insofar as the other respondents are concerned, the SLP is adjourned. Yes. No, the SLP is still there. It is not disposed. Only with regard to respondent it is disposed.
TPO, please.
61.
Lord.
Regular bail.
Regular bail, Milord. Milord, there are 6 witnesses, Milord. 3 have been already examined
3 out of 6.
out of 6, Milord. And Milord, if your Lordship can see, the FI was filed after almost 2.5 months.
All
Milord.
right, we will say let it be within a time frame. 4 months.
Only 3 are there.
4 months.
3 months will suffice, Milord.
2 months will say.
Right.
We dispose of this specially petition by directing the concerned sessions court to conclude the trial within a period of 4 months from today. It is needless to observe that if the trial is inconclusive within the aforesaid time, liberty is reserved to the petitioner herein to move for bail. If an application for bail is made by the petitioner herein, the same shall be considered on its own merits as expeditiously as possible and in accordance with law. The e-filing delay, if any, condoned.
Item 62 is for anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory bail,
The allegation is of false promise to marry, plus the allegation is of 2008. Plus there are 4, in 2 of them I have been acquitted, 2 have been quashed.
You have performed.
1 minute.
no.
That is the allegation in the FIR, that is not the case.
Say anticipatory bail.
My lord, may see. My lord, I have prepared a list of dates. My lord, may see.
Three on the
Go by
five.
black and white
My lord, may see the list of dates for a moment.
before us.
My lord, may see 2 documents. I'll just
No,
place
by
2 documents.
anticipatory bail, you seek regular
You are
bail.
government servant. You are doing public service.
My lord, may see 2 documents. I'll just place 2 documents on the record.
I have Tahsildar.
4 marriages. This is the 5th one. Every time.
My lord, there's no marriage. There was only 1 marriage on record. This was not in the case diary. This was submitted by the prosecutor.
Because of this specially petition, by reserving liberty to the petitioner herein to move for regular bail in case of necessity. It is needless to observe that if an application for regular bail is made by the petitioner herein, the same shall be considered on its own merits as expeditiously as possible and in accordance with law. Yes.
Service may not be completed.
Which for union of members.
Unions, no?
Yeah.
64.
there are connected matters. Their service last office report says
This is the same LOC.
Once have granted them liberty ballots to approach the High Court, seeking whatever modification they want. Whosoever wanted to travel. Thereafter it has come.
It has come again today.
because Lordship's last order says 14/10/24, at least down 28 to 25.
Oh,
There was
notice
an
is
order.
not ordered.
Notice is already ordered.
Notice is ordered.
Even interim order is also passed.
Then why it has come up today?
It
Because it's directed by.
finally heard.
All been served.
All may not be served. Because the previous office report showed
There is no
that
fresh service report, my lords of the year.
Then should we say await service of notice?
yes.
Lords,
Await service of notice of the unserved respondents.
Millards, I'm sorry, Millards. I appear in 64.1, Millards. I have been served. I am the contesting respondent. There are two applications. Millards, may please see. One is an application for initiating perjury proceedings against the petitioner bank.
Later, not today.
Ladyship may only then consider my other application, which is for clarification. What has happened is, my lord, this matter 64.1 does not belong in this batch. My lord, there is no. I am not a guarantor. I am definitely not the borrower. There is no criminal proceeding against me. I am not an accused anywhere. I was only a non-executive director in the borrower company for a period of 2 years, way back in 2010, my lords.
What has happened to the criminal matter against you?
There is no criminal matter against me.
Please
There is not.
relax. Then relax. What is the IA for clarification?
Well, the clarification is that despite the Honorable High Court having quashed the LOC, it is still open today, my lords. I am still not able to travel, my lords. I am a retired individual. My lords, I am not an accused anywhere. There is not even a civil proceeding against.
LOC?
I'm sorry, my lords.
Your name is there in the LOC?
They had opened an LOC against me. The Honorable High Court had quashed it, my lords. They approached your lordships, my lord, by way of this SLP.
You are a respondent.
Yes, but they have still kept it open. So I approached the Honorable High Court by way of a contempt petition saying there is no stay by the Honorable Supreme Court in my matter. How can this LOC be there?
I was to have the order.
Why his name continues?
That's right.
That has been preferred by Bank of Baroda, my lords. The petitioner is Bank of Baroda.
Find out, ascertain your union. Union of India.
Not even, my lords.
Find out whether his name continues or not.
64, I'll take instruction.
I have said so in my application on affidavit. It does continue, my lords. I am still not being allowed to travel. My daughter lives abroad, my lords. I am a retired individual.
I'll
my lords.
find out, my lords. I'll take it.
But we said the others could go and seek permission in the High Court. Why
That your lordships have said, my lord, in the Virat Chetan Shah matter, where they are personal guarantors, there were some proceedings. My lords, in my case, my lords, that's why I'm saying my matter does not belong in this batch. There is nothing against me. That's why your lordships did not pass that interim order in my matter, my lords.
No. Even then you succeeded before the High Court.
I did on merits because there was nothing against me. How could there be an LOC?
No, the validity of the LOC has been considered and struck down.
No, Millards, that Virat Chetan Shah. That's the provision which has been struck down. I'm not relying on that. On merits in my case, the LOC has been quashed.
1 minute, you are a respondent here.
Ladyship,
Are you planning to travel abroad soon?
Millards, there is no fixed date.
Then-
But Millards, my only request.
Come up.
Last one request. One request.
In the event you want to travel abroad, you move the matter.
Millards, but then that's my whole difficulty, Millards. I am being tagged in this batch. I am being treated as if, Millards, I am also part.
What will detag? That's all.
Your ladyship may detag then. Because I don't belong in this batch.
Tag be part of the entire batch. You have the same arguments. Don't.
No, Millards, not Millards. With greatest respect to
If you want to be detagged, will detag.
Millards may detag my matter, Millards. I'm humbly requesting. It does not belong here, Millards.
Bank of Baroda.
Where is Bank of
Bank of Baroda is not there. What it tagged with this batch.
Can't do it. All right. Yes. Next case.
Your lordships are detagging, Millards.
No. They are not here.
I would only.
Petitioner is not here. If you are moving out, then you move this court or the High Court. Let us see.
Very well, ladyship. Grateful, Millards.
Yes.
My lord, this matter is coming after notice, my lord. The respondents have entered appearance
Supplementary fresh or after notice?
after notice, my lord. This is after notice. Somebody has entered appearance also, my lord.
My lords, I received my lords a notice on the 24th, Monday. My lords, I have come on record. My lords, if my lords may kindly see the previous orders. At the time of issuance of notice, my lords, I believe what transpired was that my lords inquired from my learned friend as to the date on which the counsel passed away who had appeared for my friend.
Give the details of that.
We have already filed affidavit, my lord. My lord wanted, we have filed affidavit, and thereafter only notice has been issued, my
My
lord.
lords, I haven't received the affidavit.
Today it is coming because my lord notice was issued on interim relief also. Now there is an order of execution court for delivery of possession, my lord. This is my residential house, my lord. So until next date, my lord, at least the status quo may be
What
granted.
is the date on which the possession has to be given?
My lord, the order we have annexed, my lord, there is one IEA number 49697. IEA number 49697, my lord, page 6 thereof, my lord. The order has been passed on 17th February for delivery of possession,
Consider this on Monday.
my lord.
Monday.
My lord, until then status quo, my lord.
Monday.
Very well. It may be considered on Monday, no difficulty. My lords, the only,
For
my lords, I appear for the respondent. I appear for, my lords, the party in whose favor, my lords, the orders were passed even by the learned trial court.
it's on Monday to be taken up immediately after the fresh cases are heard.
Very
My lord, at least until Monday, you will be protected, my lord.
Please.
Because delivery of possession is ordered, my lord, if this goes, my lord. Residential house is there, my lord.
Grant the relief.
My lord, residential house, my lord. That's why we are.
What has happened all these days? There was no interim order.
Alright, my lord issued notice on interim order, my lord.
That's what we'll have it on Monday.
But because they had not given their complete address, this was the problem, my lord. Even execution court, they simply said that name of the city, my
My
lord.
lords, I take objection to that because the impugned order is of 2022. my lord. I'm okay.
Where is it? This is regular bail.
This is a regular bail, my lords. I've been inside for almost 18.
Witnesses have been examined.
My lords, almost everybody has been examined. My lords, the difficulty is now for the past 1 year, it's being in the evidence stage. My lords, nothing has progressed in the trial. My lords, in fact, 4 witnesses, they have deposed in my favor, stating that she has falsely filed this FIR, my lords.
Out of 14, how many have been examined?
My lords, I have instructions with respect to 10, my lords, 11, my lords. Yes, my lords.
Then we let
For the last 1 year, my lords,
4 more witnesses.
please, my lords. For the last,
After 6 months, you move. We dispose of.
my lords, we kindly consider the testimonies, my lords. I have placed 4 PWs on record.
We dispose of this specially petition by directing the concerned special court to conclude the trial within a period of 6 months from today. In the event the trial is inconclusive, then liberty is reserved to the petitioner herein to move for bail. Needless to observe that if an application for bail is filed by the petitioner herein, the same shall be considered on its own merits as expeditiously as possible and in accordance with law.
My lords, in fact, even in the FIR, she stated that she is 12 years old, whereas medically she is found to be 17 years old, my lords. So actually, my lords, I'm a 23-year-old person.
6 months.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Very